Why do my employees keep leaving? It's the question that hits you late at night after the third resignation letter in 3 months. But here's the thing. What if I told you you are asking the wrong question? If you're a leader, if you're a supervisor, if you have any staff that report to you, stop asking why are they leaving and instead ask, what would make them want to stay? And before you say, well, more money, if I could give them a raise, let's be real. A raise gives people a quick hit of motivation, like a jolt of energy, a dopamine spike. But that bump, it fades fast, especially if they're overworked, overlooked, or disconnected. People don't stay because they're paid more. They stay because they feel valued, because they're connected to a purpose, their purpose. Because they believe this place is where they are meant to grow. I've worked with organizations across the country, schools, nonprofits, workforce boards, social service teams, and no matter the mission, the size, or the budget, the question always comes up. How do we hire the right people? And then how do we keep them? What I've learned in my observations and experiences, even the most dedicated staff will walk away if they feel invisible, unheard, or replaceable. Did you know employees are 4 times more likely to stay when they feel psychologically safe? Did you know turnover drops 30% when managers ask for feedback and then act on it? Did you know employees with a clear path towards growth stay longer and then step up as leaders even before they are promoted to one? Retention isn't just a hiring strategy. It's a leadership responsibility. Culture isn't a poster on the wall. It's how you feel when you show up to work. So the question isn't, why do my employees keep leaving? The real question is, what would make them want to stay? And the answer is purpose, belonging, growth, trust, psychological safety, and a culture and boss or leader that inspires them. Build the kind of workplace you'd be proud to have your family work in, because that's what makes people want to stay. Start with listening sessions. Host a 15-minute check-in with each team member. No agenda, just ask questions. For example, ask, what's one thing that's going well for you at work? Ask, what's one thing that can make your job easier or more meaningful? People don't always want a raise. Sometimes they just want to feel heard. But it also goes beyond listening. Create growth moments in your organization. Promote development without needing a title change. Invite employees to lead a meeting. Mentor a new hire. Take a course or a training that interests them. And then celebrate those small successes like they're big. Because maybe to them, they are. People stay when they feel like they're becoming more of who they're meant to be. Inspire them to get there. And finally, recognize people in their language. Some people need public praise. Others just want a quiet thank you. Learn your team's preferences and tailor your recognition to your audience. The most powerful leadership move? Not only make people feel seen, but make them feel seen in the way that they want to be viewed. So whatever your role is, you're watching this video because of the question, why do my employees keep leaving? I want to challenge you to ask a different one. What would make them want to stay? It's not just about who you hire. It's about what you build after they say yes. People stay for people. People stay for meaning. People stay because you're helping them become the best version of themselves. And they feel to become that is with your guidance, your leadership, and your inspiration. I appreciate you watching. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I'll see you at the next one. Peace.